80%. According to recent industry research, that's the burnout rate for real estate agents in America. 8 out of 10 don't make it past year two. If you're watching this and you feel like you're drowning, working 70-hour weeks, your bank account is bleeding, and you can't figure out why, lying awake at 3 in the morning wondering if you made a massive mistake leaving your old job, you're not failing. You're experiencing what almost every agent experiences. I'm Gary Carpenter. I've been in this business for over 28 years, and I've watched over 1,000 agents start their careers. About 200 made it, the rest burned out. And after nearly 3 decades, I can tell you exactly why that happens. More importantly, I can show you how to make sure you're not part of that 80%. Let's get into it. Let me paint you a picture. You wake up at 7, check your phone immediately, no new leads. Your stomach tightens. You get to the office, spend 2 hours sending texts to your sphere. 13 people see your message. 2 respond, neither one is ready to buy or sell. You take a showing at 2, the buyers love the house but want to think about it. You know they're seeing 3 other agents. By 5, you've been working for 10 hours, but you haven't done anything that will actually make you money. You drive home, your spouse asks how your day was. You say, busy, because you were, but you can't point to a single thing that moved your business forward. After dinner, you're back on your phone, scrolling Zillow, checking your email, responding to a lead that came in at 8 p.m. because God forbid you miss it. You finally close your laptop at 11, exhausted. But you didn't prospect. You didn't follow up with past clients. You didn't do anything systematic. You just reacted to whatever came at you. And that night at 3:17 in the morning, you wake up in a cold sweat. You check your bank account on your phone. The number makes your heart race. You have 2 closings this month, but after that, nothing. Your pipeline is empty. And you think, how long can I keep doing this? That's stage 4 of an agent burnout. Let me walk you through all 5 stages because wherever you are right now, you need to know what's coming. Stage 1 is the honeymoon. You're excited. You just got your license. You're posting on social media. You're telling everyone you're in real estate now. The world feels wide open. Stage 2 is chronic stress. You realize nobody's calling you. The leads you're buying from Zillow are terrible. You're spending money on business cards and Facebook ads, but nothing's working. You start working longer hours, evenings, weekends. You can't turn it off because you're terrified of missing an opportunity. Stage 3 is habitual burnout. You're exhausted but numb. You're showing up every day, but you feel like a zombie. The excitement is gone. You're just trying to survive. You stop answering when people ask you how business is going because the truth is too depressing. Stage 4 is the crisis. This is the 3 a.m. panic attacks, the fights with your spouse about money, the moment you seriously consider quitting. You've been doing this for 18 months and you've made less than you did at your old job. You feel like a failure. Stage 5 is embedded burnout. You've given up caring. You're going through the motions. You'll probably quit soon. You're just too tired to make the decision yet. If you're in stage 1 or 2, good. You caught this early. If you're in stage 3, 4, or 5, I'm glad you're here. We can fix this. I want you to watch this whole video because what I'm about to show you might be the thing that saves your career. Now, most agents think burnout happens because the market's bad, or there's too much competition, or they're just not cut out for sales. That's wrong. Burnout happens because you're operating like a construction worker when you need to be operating like an architect. Let me explain. A construction worker shows up to a job site. No blueprint, just a hammer and some nails. He starts swinging, building something. He hopes it turns into a house. Sometimes it does. Usually it doesn't. And even when it works, he has no idea how to do it again. An architect shows up with blueprints. He knows exactly what he's building. He knows which piece goes where. He knows the order of operations. He builds the same quality house every single time because he's following a system. Most agents are construction workers. Top producers are architects. And the difference between those two approaches is the difference between burning out in 2 years and building a business that lasts 30 years. The agents who survive real estate, the ones who thrive, they're all following the proven blueprint. The production architect. That's what I call it. It's the business operating system that makes burnout impossible. And I'm about to show you what it looks like. Production architect has 3 pillars. I'm going to give you the overview right now. And over the next few weeks, I'm going to break each one of these down in separate videos. So if you're not subscribed, hit that button now because you're going to want to see these. Pillar 1, the perfect week formula. This is the time architecture. Top producers don't just work hard. They have a specific weekly structure that guarantees the right activities happen at the right time. There's a 4-hour block every Tuesday or Wednesday morning. That block is sacred. No showings, no closings, no errands, just pipeline building activities. Inside that block, they do 4 things: database outreach, referral conversations, targeted prospecting, and visibility marketing. That's it. 4 hours a week of focused work. That's the dollar productive work. And that 4-hour block generates 80% of their income. The rest of the week, client care, transactions, admin, the stuff that has to get done, but the money gets made in the 4-hour block. And because they protect that block religiously, their pipeline never dries up. Pillar 2, the pipeline predictability framework. This is what prevents the 3 a.m. panic attacks. Most agents have feast or famine pipelines. Big month, dead month, big month, dead month. That roller coaster will destroy you. Top producers have predictable pipelines. They can see 90 days ahead. They know exactly how many deals are closing next month, the month after, and the month after that. Why? Because they understand lead lag time. When you generate a lead today, they're not ready to transact today. On average, they'll be ready in 60 to 90 days. So if you prospect hard in January and then stop because you got busy in February, your pipeline will be empty in April. That's the lead lag time. Top producers never stop prospecting. They generate leads every single week. So 60 days from now, 90 days from now, there's always deals in the pipeline. It's math. And once you understand the math, you can control your income. Again, I'm going to break down the entire pipeline predictability framework in a future video. The math behind it, how to reverse engineer your income goal into weekly lead generation numbers, how to never have an empty pipeline again. This is how you stop chasing and start farming. Most agents treat every closing like a finish line. Deal's done, on to the next one. Top producers treat every closing like a starting block. They've engineered a system where every single closing generates 3 future transactions. One from the client themselves when they move again, one from a referral the client sends them, and one from staying top of mind in their database so past clients think of them first. 3 transactions from every one closing. That's how you build a referral-based business. And referral-based businesses don't burn out because you're not chasing. You're serving people who already trust you. Those are the 3 pillars of the production architect. The perfect week formula, the pipeline predictability framework, and the referral multiplier system. When you have all 3 working together, burnout becomes impossible. Because you're not grinding randomly, you're following a blueprint. And blueprints never burn out. So if you're burned out right now or heading that direction, it's not because you're weak. It's not because you're not cut out for this. It's not because the market's bad or the competition's too tough. You're burned out because you're operating without architecture. You're swinging a hammer with no blueprint. And I promise you, the agents who look like they have it all figured out, the ones posting their closing photos on Instagram, the ones who seem effortless, they're not smarter than you. They're not more talented than you. They're not luckier than you. They're following a system. And the second you start following that same proven system, you'll finally feel in control. Your pipeline fills up, your income stabilizes, you get your life back. That's what production architecture does. And I want to help you build it. So here's what I want to do. Take 60 seconds right now and think about which stage of the burnout you're in. Become aware of it, because awareness is the first step to fixing this. And if you're ready to build your production architecture, if you want the complete proven system and the weekly structure that top producers use to build predictable, referral-based businesses, check out the production program. First link in the description. Start your free trial today. Make sure you subscribe too. I'm doing deep dives on each of these pillars over the next few weeks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.